Want to make simple cash online without selling stuff? Hi there, folks. Thanks for checking out Digital Stars, where we turn online time into extra income without any stress. Today, I've got a great tip for folks in Nigeria wanting to earn real money on the web. No, this isn't about filling out forms or trading money. It's the Temu affiliate program. Yeah, Temu. That shopping site with super low prices and amazing deals now lets you get paid for sending people their way. The cool thing, you don't have to run a store, push products, or handle deliveries. Just spread your special link and collect earnings right from Nigeria. If you're hunting for a real, no-fuss way to make cash from your device, hang tight. I'll explain it all, nice and easy. Let's dive in. First off, what's this Temu affiliate program? It's a setup where you get a cut of sales when folks buy on Temu via your personal invite link or code. Temu hands you that link at no cost after you sign up. When someone taps it, grabs the app, and buys something, you score money. Doesn't matter if you're a video maker, a learner, a shop owner, or just someone with chat groups. If they use your link, you win. And yep, it's good for Nigeria. How do you get started? Super easy. Step 1. Head to affiliate.temu.com. That's their main partner site. It's open worldwide, so Nigerians can join too. Step 2. Register with your email or mobile number. If you've got a Temu profile already, just log in with that. Step 3. Put in your basic details. No papers or hassle needed. Once inside, you'll spot your partner control panel. There, you grab your invite link, check clicks, and track your cash. Boom, you're set as a Temu affiliate partner. Now, how do you rake in the dough? Once you have the link, just share it around. Post it on WhatsApp updates, Facebook updates, Instagram clips, X posts, TikTok clips, YouTube quick videos, blog entries, email lists, Telegram chats. Anywhere you've got friends or followers, that's your earning spot. If a person clicks, sets up the Temu app, and makes a purchase, you get a reward, often about 1,000 to 3,500 naira for each new shopper based on the deal. Some offers give you a slice of the buy total too. Like, if they spend 30,000 naira via your link, you could snag 10 to 20% of it. Picture that 10 times weekly. But what if your crowd is small? No sweat. Smart sharing wins over big numbers. Many Nigerians are already wondering about Temu, like if it's real, how to buy, get free stuff, or earn from it. So make stuff that answers that. Try a quick WhatsApp audio, a short TikTok guide, or a basic Facebook note with pics of your Temu payouts. Toss in your link and urge folks to give Temu a go. Everyone digs free items and bargains, and Temu has tons. The more helpful you are, the more clicks you get, and the more you pocket. On getting your money, Temu pays out in actual cash, but watch this, most comes via PayPal. For Nigeria, you'll want a PayPal that accepts payments. If not, make one. You can also try Payoneer or digital dollar setups. When your total hits the low payout limit, around $20 or about 30,000 naira, you can pull it to PayPal, then move it to your local bank using apps like Chipper Cash, Gray, or Payoneer. Payouts usually hit in a couple of days. Keeping it honest, the Temu Partner Program isn't a fast, rich trick. No overnight millions. But if you keep at it, share wisely, and reach the right folks, you can pull in weekly extra cash from your phone with no startup cost. I've heard of students doing it, home parents, video folks, and even office workers just sharing lightly on WhatsApp. It's open for all in Nigeria, where people love cheap deals and shopping apps. To sum up, Temu's affiliate program is active in Nigeria. Joining costs nothing. You get a link. Share it out.
Want to know more on how to get started with Temu affiliate? Check the description to join our community and also share this video to your friends. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so then whenever we post you get notified.